Welcome to our Stadd lecture video series. Today's topic is assigning wind load on structure. Let's go to the structure. I have already built the structure for you. Now we have to go to loading. Then we have to define wind definition. Type 1 comment wind 1, add, close. Now let's add. First is intensity. We input intensity as 1.5 kilonewton per meter square up to height 10 meter, and then add. Then comes exposure. We give exposure as 1, add. Now you see there is a question mark on exposure, so we have to assign the exposure on the nodes of the structure. All the nodes of the structure we are selecting and then assigning to the selected node. So exposure has been assigned. Now let's go to load case and add some new load cases. Our load case will be wind load case. Wind x direction add, then wind x direction leeward direction, and wind z direction and wind z direction leeward, and so you see 4 wind load cases has been done. Now we have to add our load items. Wind load. First is select the type 1, exposed surface and direction, windward face. Factor is also 1. Add, close. Then windward x leeward direction, add. Wind load minus x leeward direction, factor 1, add. Wind z, add. Wind load z windward face, factor 1, add, close. Wind z leeward, add. Wind load minus z leeward side field direction, factor 1, add, close. So we have added our load into the respective load cases. Now let us see how the loads has been applied. Let's click on wind load. See, wind load has been applied in x direction, in windward direction. When we click to leeward direction, we see wind is applied in the x direction in leeward direction. For wind Z, we see wind is applied in Z direction in windward direction, and in the next case wind is applied in the Z direction in the leeward direction. So you have seen how the wind loads are applied on the structure. So that's the end of our lecture.